Lots of people are of the opinion that making money online is tough. However, you'll be pleased to know that there is one method that you can use when you have no experience of anything and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. Where have you been? Then get me some Skittles, why? I've been struggling here for ages without you and I really need to shorten these URLs. I need a Mackies and I'm broke. Well, shortening URLs is easy, why do you need my help? But I can help you make some money for your Mackies by shortening URLs. Really? Yeppers! Come and show me. We actually broke 100 subscribers. You're like, you sell some stuff.
Build the income into affiliate marketing.
Lots of people are of the opinion that making money online is tough. You'll be pleased to know that there is one method that you can use when you have no experience of anything and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. This is an easy way to make money online. In fact, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to make yourself some money online. With this method, all you're going to have to do is copy and paste. You're going to copy and paste inside of different social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or anywhere that people have questions and need answers. So if making money online is something that you're really interested in doing, to do what everybody keeps saying you can do really easily, then stay with me on this video. Subscribe to the channel because we talk about different ways to make money online. We talk about affiliate marketing, online business, mindset, motivation, and much more. Now let's hop onto the computer and go through what I'm talking about and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about shortening URLs, the best URL shortener to use and making money to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a long URL, you're going to shorten it and you're going to paste it. You need to keep him quiet. I'm going to show you exactly how you can take a long URL, shorten it down and then paste it in order to get traffic through it and you get paid. Now the URL shortener we're going to be talking about today is Mini URL. This is Mini URL. Mini URL works by sending you to a capture screen and an ad prior to taking you to the link that you're going to use. So let me show you exactly how you're going to shorten URLs and get paid for doing so. So we're going to hop over now onto the computer and I'm going to show you the website we're going to use to do that. We're going to use a site called Mini URL, and the first thing you'll do is you'll sign up to Mini URL and then you'll be able to use their URL shortener. So I've already got a link, but I'm going to show you where I got it from. So we'll go in and we'll have a look at videos that have over 1 million views. So I searched for this one on Samsung Note 10 review, okay? And we see here we've got a video that's got 6.2 million views and one that's got 3.1 million views, okay? So we've got a lot of eyes on those videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this video here. It's got 554k views and it's got a nice title and it gives you 1 month later. It's got a little bit more information, okay? So what we're going to do is we want to take people that are watching these videos over to watch this video. So what we're going to do, click on the video, we're going to pause it and we're just going to go into the search bar at the top. We're going to grab the URL to this video and we're going to copy it and then we're going to go to Mini URL and we are going to put a new one in here. We're going to paste and that's the URL we're going to shorten. Hit shorten and we get our Mini URL, okay? So then we're going to copy this, we're going to go back to the original page and we're going to go onto the top trending video right there is 6.2 million views, okay? So we're going to click on that, we're going to pause it. Okay, so then you're going to go to the comment section of this video here and you're going to type in a comment, okay? So we're going to just write, also review, check this review out, I can't believe what happened. okay? And then you're gonna leave this URL that you've shortened on here for other people to click on, like that. And then you're gonna hit comment and just wait for the money to come in, and just leave it at that. That's all you have to do. All you're doing is copying and pasting link. So you can go to publisher rates over here and find out how much you get paid to do that with Mini URL. Okay, so it shows you the top few countries that Mini URL pays highly for, and these are Germany, Canada, UK, USA and Australia, and it pays $2.20 per 1,000 views, all right? And all you're doing is it's literally 3 minutes. You're gonna go and find a popular video. You're gonna then find another video. You're gonna take the videos further down the list that aren't as popular. You're gonna shorten that URL and then go back to the popular one, leave them a good review, but link back to a not so popular video. And the reason that you link back to the not so popular video is because you want as many eyes on your link as possible. The best videos to choose are how-to videos, things like how to tie a tie, how to do a backflip. Review videos are really good too. iPhone 11 review, all right? There is absolutely loads and loads of different videos out there. Now, it doesn't have to just stop with YouTube. You can take a YouTube video and link back to something on Facebook. You can link to something on Twitter, absolutely anywhere. Now, a lot of times people will be scrolling through the comments looking for something that somebody else has recommended. So it's a really good way of getting that link clicked on. Now, let me show you what happens when you click on the link and where it takes you, and this is how and why you get paid for doing it. If I go on here like this and open up a new tab, and then I click in here and paste, this is where it takes you, and this is why you get paid. So you go to view this video, and all you have to do is click I'm not a robot, and then click here to continue. But you see what happens is when some people come through here, they see these here, and these are advertisements. Advertisers are paying Mini URLs to put their adverts on that link right before you get taken to the final video. If somebody doesn't want to, they'll just click through here and go straight to the video, but a percentage of people that see this are actually going to click on these pictures here. And once they do click on these pictures, you're going to get paid a percentage of what the advert is costing the company that's putting it there, okay? So every 1,000 clicks, you're gonna get $2.20. Now, all you need to do is post a couple of links a day on a couple of different videos, or link back from not so popular videos onto a really popular one to make sure you're getting lots of eyes on your URL, your shortened URL, and just do nothing else. You just set it up and leave it. And then over time, you'll start getting clicks coming on to your URL, and you can check back with Mini URL on the inside on the dashboard and just watch for how many clicks you get and how the money's bumping up. The more URLs you shorten and post links for, the more money you're going to earn. So the more time you put into it, the more you're going to make. Saying that, this is something that you're going to have to trade your time for money. It's not something that you can just stop doing altogether and you're going to be able to keep making the money. Eventually, the money's going to stop coming from that. You need to keep on doing it. Trading time for money is something that you want to break away from, and you are actually serious about making money online. You want to know the best way for you to get started, then check out my #1 recommended way to make money online in the description, okay? And that's going to take you through, and it's going to show you exactly what we do to make money online. This way is something you can do once and you keep getting paid over and over and over again. It is going to give you financial freedom. On that note, I'm going to leave you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make it epic, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.